We have done thirunArAyanapuram, or somebody has had done thirunArAyanapuram. Now Perumal has Bhogam. That Bhogam is there for us. So that should be honored. That is the primary motto. And also Dehadharanam, that we have to sustain somehow. And we can only sustain through prasAdham. So these are the only two reasons for accepting prasAdham. Not for our tongue, not for our enjoyment, not for just cooking some food and eating. So we should only take prasAdham. That is, whatever we take, even rice, even curd, even water, everything should be prasAdham only. That is how our Purvacharya is saying. Now what we are doing, many places what they are doing is, for perumAL they will keep one small naivedya, whatever, some fruits or some milk or something. And they will cook different, 10 different varieties of food and they eat. But that is not the way we should do. Whatever we cook at home, it should be offered to perumAL. Then, yadanna purusho bhavati tadanna tasya devata is pramanam. Whatever one eats, it should be offerable to perumAL according to one's position. If one is a brahmana, then he has certain food items to be eaten. One is a kshatriya, he can eat certain food item. That food item he can offer to perumAL and eat. So we have to see what food items we can offer to perumAL according to our varna and according to our dharma. And by becoming a Vaishnava, everyone has restriction of satvika ahara only. In the general normal varnashrama dharma, kshatriya can even eat meat. But one has become Vaishnava, then naturally one will not eat meat because one cannot harm other animals for our sense gratification. So we have to restrict our food items according to Vaishnava dharma for a Vaishnava. For Vaishnava then just general varnashrama dharma, I can eat meat, that will not apply. Because one being a Vaishnava is to be in sattvika mood always, to have sattva gunam always on the rise. For that sattvika ahara is only appropriate. So he can, Vaishnava can only offer sattvika ahara, which includes fruits and vegetables and grains and so on. Only that we should offer. And that also, for perumAL we can make it in different delicious ways. Because perumAL is the enjoyer. For enjoyer we have to give the best enjoyment. In whether it is food or whether it is cloth, everything we have to give the best for him. But for us, we should not have that enjoyment thought, rather we should have that prasAdham thought. It is enjoyed by Bhagavan. Now whatever is remaining is for us. Only that thought should be there for us, because we are not enjoyers. Only perumAL is the real enjoyer. We can have a little bit enjoyment based on his enjoyment. That is the limit allowed for us. So prasAdham also, we should not overindulge. We should not eat at different times. We should not eat anything whichever we get outside. It should be restricted. It should be only certain regulated times, only with whatever is offered to perumAL. So that is very important for us to understand and confirm.
ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
To learn such valuable information about our SrIvaishNava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.